example 2, we're going to factor ax squared, but this time there's going to be a minus for the b. So I have, why is it a z there? Probably all supposed to be z's, but I'll make it x's again. It doesn't really matter what the variable is. The technique works no matter the variable. So cross method, 3 times 20 is 60. And I want the sum to be negative 17. So when I'm looking at the factors of 60, I got 1 and 60, 2 and 30, 3 and 20, and 4 and 15, and 5 and 12, and 6 and 10. Okay, there's all the factors of 60. Now when I'm looking at this, the sum should be negative, which means my larger numbers should be negative. Ooh, how about 3 and negative 20? Oh, wait a second here. That doesn't work out because their product is negative 60. Wait a second. So if the product is supposed to be positive and the sum is negative, then both the numbers have to be negative. Okay. Well, negative 6 plus negative 10 is 16. Ooh, how about negative 5 and negative 12? Negative 5 times negative 12 is positive 60. Negative 5 plus negative 12 is negative 17. There we go. So 3x squared minus 17x plus 20 becomes 3x squared minus 5x minus 12x minus 17. Go ahead and make my box. And we have 3x squared in the top left, negative 17 in the bottom right, negative 5x, and negative 12x. From the top row, I can see I can factor out a 3x from both of those. And what's left over when I have 3x divided by 3x? I just have an x. Negative 12x divided by 3x is just going to be negative 4. When I factor the bottom, oh, that's what, oh, dang it. Okay, I'm going to highlight it in green so you can see what it is. Do you see my mistake? I had the b value, negative 17, written where the c value is supposed to go. Let me change that to green. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, 20 and negative 5x. Well, I can factor out a 5 for sure. But I noticed that the x is positive and the negative, we got a negative 4 in the second row, so I'm actually going to factor out a negative 5. What's that leave me with? Well, the negative 5 is gone, so I just have an x. 20 divided by negative 5 is negative 4. Columns match. And I have x minus 4. So the completely factored form, 3x minus 5 times x minus 4.